Welcome back to Kazakh in Arabic script, lesson 7. We've almost finished with the alphabet, only 3 more letters to go. This may be our shortest lesson yet. First, we have the letter kaf, which corresponds to the Cyrillic letter k. The isolated and final forms are like lam, but they don't dip below the bottom line. In addition, there is a slanted S-shaped mark. The initial and medial forms look like dal, the slanted taco, with the diagonal cap extending towards the top right corner. Let's take a look. Now let's practice with real words.
кету,
пікір, тек,
The next letter is kaf ush nuqat, which corresponds to the Cyrillic letter n. This letter shares everything with kaf, but we have to add 3 dots in a triangular formation above the diagonal cap. There must be 1 dot on top with 2 dots on the bottom. Let's take a look. Now let's practice with real words.
оңай, соң, сын,
Next up, we have gaf, which corresponds to the Cyrillic letter ge. Its initial and medial forms are identical to kaf, except that it wears 2 caps on the top. The isolated and final forms look essentially the same as the others. Now let's practice with real words.
егер, жігіт,
Congratulations! You've finished all the letters of the Kazakh Arabic alphabet. I would advise you to review the letters and practice writing the examples to truly be comfortable with the writing system. In the next lesson, I will highlight some additional rules to keep in mind when using this alphabet. See you soon.